Hi and welcome back to Piano with Leslie. We're working our way through the Bastien Piano for Adults book number 1 and today we've reached our final challenge piece. It is Für Elise and it is on page 146. Okay, we're just going to go for it. I'm going to remember we've got our first and second time bars to look out for. We've got some touch pedaling in places and you've got your diminuendo at the end and your poco rit, which means to get a little bit slower as you're progressing to the last chord. Okay, so we're just going to go for it. I always like to add a little fermata on the last chord, just hold it that little bit longer and it sounds really, really beautiful. It's been such fun learning these pieces and demonstrating these pieces to you. I hope you've really enjoyed your time learning with me and working our way through this Bastien book. It has been such a delight and I hope you continue to work on the next book, which is your book 2, and keep progressing your learning. Lovely working with you and I'll see you next time. Bye.